Hi, Kevin. Where are we today?
Hi. We're in downtown Gainesville, Jasmine.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
Ah.
And we're going to go on a little city skate.
Cityscape.
We're going to check this little city out and
Oh,
see what it's all
yeah.
about, right?
All right. Well, in this direction over there, we have the main street. We found the main street to be a little rough, challenging, but we found some of these other streets. We're on Northeast 1st Street and beyond. Smooth to skate on, so let's check it out.
And you got to find free parking a little bit further
Oh yeah,
away.
free parking down here on Northeast 1st Street. So for those of you cheapskates like us who don't like to pay for parking, take note. All right, so this city is a beautiful city in north central Florida, the largest city in Alachua County, and also the home of the University of Florida. Woo! So it's a college town, making it a younger city by Florida standards. That was cool. What was that? Here we have a little park. We're passing Northeast 2nd Street, and there's a little park over here. Nice.
Lots of smooth areas.
Lots of smooth concrete. And another thing I'm noticing around here, downtown, are beautiful old houses. Many of them have been restored or in the process of being restored. And there goes Kev street skating. Lots of gorgeous old homes. There's some little obstacles to be found as well. And yeah, there's sections where the concrete gets rougher, but overall, a lot of these streets are really smooth and easy to skate, and additionally, because it's summer, shaded. So nice and cool, and shaded streets are a big plus when you're skating outside in Florida in the summer. And these big, beautiful old oak trees as well. Just love to see them. There's just something about the old oak trees. Beautiful windows on that house as well. I love to look at some of these old places and wonder what they're like on the inside. But definitely a nice area to skate. And we've heard there's a group of like roller skaters in Gainesville or the general area that do like trail skating. It's just a rumor I've heard. I don't have any specifics. So if anybody has any info on that, please let us know, because I would be interested to check that out. There are a lot of trails around here. I don't know how many of them are skatable trails, but I'm sure. Oh, that's a beautiful looking little place back there. I'm sure that somebody out there knows these trail roller skaters, what's he doing over there? Which is the best area for skating trails around here. And there's a community garden over here. Oh my goodness, wow. And something I'm not used to as somebody from coastal Florida, there are hills, there's elevation, which we don't have in coastal Florida. All right, so that was a fun little skate, and we'll keep checking out Gainesville and keeping you posted. Until next time, see you later.